Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I just want to go over really quick what this mastery check is going to look like. Normally, for mastery check number 2, I'm always having you produce sentences, but in order to get you there, first we need to make sure that you know exactly how to conjugate those verbs. So this is actually going to be a Google form, and you're going to have to type out conjugations of words. So make sure that you've got your entire course companion done, including those verb tables that I went through on the videos with you, so that way you know you're going to do well. Also, that practice packet in the back has all the questions that we're going to be checking in the Google form. So making sure that the course companion and practice packet are complete and you bring those back to the mastery check table with your computer is going to be really important. And yeah, then you're going to get your feedback in the Google form. And we need to get at least 36 out of 40 correct. You guys are going to do great. We'll talk to you soon. Tschüss.